New One Piece arc, new character costumes. So, Luffy from the Egghead Island arc. This looks good. So, let's try this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, will go too fast. Kind of simpler, Luffy kind of cartoon style. So, let's go. Eyes, very easy. Up and down. Bottom eyelid, curves around. Pupil, kind of down and on the right, kind of looking down at us a little bit. And then the scar. There. And then his eyebrow goes that way. Other eye, just over here. Curving. Line there. Curving line on the bottom. And then his pupil. You can color them black, of course, if you want. There's sort of a dark gray in the picture I'm drawn from. So I might do it that way. And then his nose down in. Nostril, just like a little dot sort of there. And then another eyebrow going that way. Big one piece sort of smile. Curving up. And then the bottom line goes around. It's like sort of a slice of orange. Like that. And the teeth divided across here. And then they just sort of drawing the teeth like these lines. They actually have his gums in there in the corner, so it's like a little sort of curving section just there in the corner. See that? It's not drawn in. They do it with color, but we have to draw it in because we're drawing. Okay, so his face is kind of cut off by a collar, right? So he's got this, say like underneath the nose, right? He's got this collar line going that way. And then this comes across his face. I'm just drawing this in first because the face goes behind it, right? So he's got this big long collar. It's like a snowsuit or something. Is it a snowsuit? Probably not. Right, so that collar goes that way and that way. And his face curves in just down into there. That typical curvy sort of Luffy face. Curving that way. And then the other side, like his jaw. Go. So like you'd imagine it keeps going up. That way. Very round. And then he's got this thing on his ear. Like a radio sort of thing. Curving around this way. It's like a headphone. And it's got a green section here. And a big antenna sticking up. I'm going to use a ruler for that actually. Hold on, where's the ruler? Never. There it is. Oh, fell off. Ruler. So, top of it there, and then you can just, you don't have to use a ruler, but sometimes it's just quicker. Like so. And his hair then, so hair spikes. That way. And then down, and they're just black, standard Luffy sort of hair spikes. And yep, then hair over this way. Doo, 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 doo. This one then goes down. Then some stick up. Down. Right, and then one there, and then his neck seems to just go down that way. And we can see a little bit of his ear sticking out from underneath his hair here, so it's like just a little sort of curved line that way. So then the rest of that costume of his, right? So his shoulder sort of sticks out here, and there's another bump down that way, and then on this side, so shoulder goes out and down there, and his chest is sort of here, I think, and then this closes over that way, and then we've got like details drawn in, so there's like signs and symbols. We got his arm going that way, and then there's like a collar edge just following that, and then so another curved line here, and then a circle on the end, and then a circle inside, then another one here, circle around the bottom of it, and then he's got like some orange lines that go down here, and then this thing that says veg. It says veg on it, but I don't know why it says veg. Someone will tell me. Someone knows. Or was it like the Vega? Maybe. Like that. And then straw hat. So just that bumpy straw hat just kind of hanging down here. You can do some texture lines on it. Like so. And that's it. Luffy from the new One Piece arc, Egghead Island. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.